Wait, watch this.
This feels like a dream.
Dreams come true when I'm with you.
Thank you for making this Christmas unforgettable.
You're the best gift I've ever received.
I love you.
I love you
I
even
generated what you watch using YouTube app. I did not pay a dime. No subscription. No limitation. You can generate up to 100 videos a day. Not just that. It generates up to 10 seconds video. What you watch is a 10 seconds video. As long as that, for free. You can see the quality is top notch.
You're
The
even funnier
quality
than I
is top
imagined.
notch
more. That's because your
on that.
smile
The
brings out the
dialogue,
best in me.
This has been my
accurate.
favorite date.
Hopefully
All
the
right.
first of
So
many.
right on YouTube
love that.
app, you can generate your movie series on YouTube app and you save them without watermark, all completely free. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, I am showing you ways people are generating AI movie series for free using one tool, which is the tool you're watching me from right now. Using that your YouTube app, you can generate AI movie series up to 100 videos a day if you have the strength. Remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. Like this particular video, and I want to see your comment on the comment section. Let's get started. So right on your YouTube, okay, this is my YouTube app, the one on the phone. Okay, you can see I'm scrolling through it the way you scroll through. All right, now you see that plus sign, plus on the center. This is my page. Okay, so that plus at the middle down here, you click on it. Click here, you can see where the arrows are directing you. This is where you click immediately. You click on plus. Okay, now it opens this way. Then you click on create video. All this you're seeing right here, it is videos generated. These are all AI generated video. So you click on create video, it comes out this way. Now you have two options. Either you paste your prompt, okay, you start generating. But because I want to do image to video for consistency, this is the video prompt, okay, and I'll copy it. All right, I'll head back, paste the video prompt. Now another thing, I do not have any image. I click on plus, there's no image. Okay, so you can use ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. I pasted a prompt of that scene, the image prompt on ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is generating me an image. Another tool you can use is Flow AI. These are the two places I often use for my image generation. Okay. Now this is Flow AI or Google Flow AI, whichever one. Paste your prompt. Okay. And remember, it should be 9 by 16. Okay, now I've pasted it. It is generating my video, my image, sorry. Now one thing about this particular tool is if you're into shorts, AI movies for Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube shorts, this is for you. All their video generation are all in 9 by 16. Okay, so having done that, this is the image ChatGPT generated and the one Flow generated. Okay, this one is ChatGPT, still okay. I can go with any of them, they are good. All right, so I will head back, okay, to YouTube, click on the plus again, look for that image. This is the image here, click on it. All right, and my prompt, I'll send it. Okay, now it is generating. You can see it's rotating gently. All right, it is rotating on its own. Okay, once it is done generating, the video will preview. Okay, it doesn't take time. You can see it doesn't even take up to a minute and your video is generated already. So you go ahead and preview your video. Okay, you go ahead and preview your video. Now this YouTube AI video generator, what it does is it gives us 10 seconds video, high quality. Now this is the video, you can see it. Okay, I won't be playing it at the end. Okay, but you can see how the quality it is. Now the next thing you need to do, either you tap down, okay, and download it. Tap down, you see download it. All right, or you click on next. okay, and you post it. That is, if you want to post it on YouTube, you just go ahead and post it. But that is not one. Then you click here, you see where my arrow is, it takes you back, you save, and you click another. Now, this is another video that I'm generating. This is what you need to be doing. Once you're done generating, this time around, I'm going for only video generation without image. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and copy it, paste it. It generates. Remember, once it's done generating, save it. Once it is saved, all you need to do is go back as if you're going back and start afresh again, and you keep generating your videos. One thing about this particular tool, there's no limit, no subscription, no you have generated enough for today, and all the rest. Now, when it comes to your dialogue, it is accurate. Once you're able to explain it well, it is accurate. So, this is it. This is the video generated without image prompt. Okay, you can see the quality. I will be posting it after. I will be posting, adding the video it generated so you get to watch. The same way you save it. Okay, you save it or you download it and it enters your phone without watermarks. There is no watermark on it. There is no watermark on it. Okay, head back and you either post it or you go back, start generating again. And simple. So watch what I generated. Drop a comment on the comment section.
This
Okay.
feels like a dream.
Dreams come true when I'm with you.
Thank you for making this Christmas unforgettable.
You're the best gift I've ever received.
I love you.
I love you even more.
You're even funnier than I imagined.
That's because your smile brings out the best in me.
This has been my favorite date.
Hopefully the first of many.
I'd love that.